The year 2021 is over. Many have spent the past few hours celebrating and merrymaking, meeting with families and friends, and having a good time. As 2022 starts, this is the time to examine yourself and make New Year resolutions that will help you achieve your goals this year. The beginning of every year has a lot of positivity, good energy, and good vibes. People celebrate by going out with their families and friends and relatives, and many go as far as making it a memorable time by having parties and get togethers. There is a certain way to celebrate the new year through these parties and get togethers. People love meeting up and getting together with their families in different occasions, but the end of year is a special occasion. People celebrate in different ways. Some decorate the streets, decorate their homes, cook food, invite your friends over, and have dinner together. Gone are those days when a handmade card will do the trick. Now it's all about bringing gifts, popping champagne, and doing something precious to set the tone for the new year. But apart from all this, a few heartfelt messages and wishes never go out of style. It is always a good idea to send to your families and friends a few wishes and messages and quotes to enlighten this beautiful time that marks a good beginning. So, as a friend and a brother, I want to use this opportunity to wish you all a happy and prosperous new year. I want to wish you all success this year, and I hope that joy and success will follow you all in every sector of your life. Happy New Year. Cheers to good health, happiness, and prosperity. May all the good things follow you. Peace, joy, and happiness. May this year be a blessing to you and to your family. Once more, Happy New Year to you all.